I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making something a little different for dinner. We are having Greek sloppy joes using ground lamb and topped with a classic homemade tzatziki sauce. Stay tuned. These Greek sloppy joes are rich and full of Greek flavors. I'm starting by making my tzatziki sauce because it will need to refrigerate for a couple hours. I have some Greek yogurt and I'm adding in some finely chopped peeled, seeded, salted, and drained cucumber. Adding in some finely minced garlic, lemon zest, a little lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a pop of fresh dill. Mix well and refrigerate for a couple hours before serving. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. So let's get started on the sloppy joes. Because lamb is a lean meat, I'm going to add a little olive oil to a medium heat pan along with a pound of ground lamb. I'm also adding in some chopped red onion. Cooking, chopping up the lamb and stirring to mix, and then I'm adding in some finely chopped pepperoncini peppers. If you wanted, you could substitute with some bell peppers. Can't forget the garlic, some salt and black pepper, and cooking and stirring for 3 to 5 minutes until the ground lamb is browned. I'm adding more seasoning with some oregano, and now is the time to add the ketchup and tomato sauce. I'm also adding in a little brown sugar for some sweetness. Letting that simmer for about 5 minutes or until some of the liquid is absorbed, and then I'm turning off the heat. One final addition, and that is some crumbled feta cheese, just lightly stirring in the feta, and we are ready to eat. You can serve the Greek sloppy joes with the condiments that you like. Tonight I have some fresh spinach, tomatoes, and red onions. You can serve the Greek sloppy joes on just about anything. Lettuce wraps would be great and complement the richness of the lamb. Tonight I'm serving the sloppy joes in buns and in pita pockets. And don't forget to spoon on a nice portion of that homemade tzatziki sauce. If you like Greek flavors, I hope you give this Greek sloppy joe recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!